guys? Today we're tasting an Oreo Blizzard. What's up guys? Welcome to Awesomely Awesome. I'm Kylie and this is Skylar, and today we're reviewing the Oreo Blizzard. Okay, so I'm eating. I can't wait to try the Blizzard, and we'll see. It's super crunchy with the Oreos. It's super vanilla-y.
And then getting like this. It has like the so crunchy. It's the Oreos.
It was super good. It's like vanilla-y, super creamy, and super good. All the other ones are like fine, but this one's like my favorite one. I think it's mind blown. Sky, what do you think?
I give it a love emoji.
Explosion.